Like a just up, and then the bills out again. Okay. In this technique, we can explain as this way. One more. If Tony punch and I use a defensive bounce out, I need love and control my elbow and pulling me over there, then I'll be in big trouble. So what I'll do, I'm going to use the techniques in beauty. I'm going to straighten my back from here. And this is going towards his eye, so his head probably go back. And then I'm going to lap and attack from there. So slowly, one more time, just punch, ball, control, and use beauty from here.